Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am really excited to show my first completion for the month of May. So this is a premium painting. This is a Diamond Art Club painting. This wonderful painting I got to finish is called Wildflowers. So this wonderful little painting, I actually started it for an event, I believe back in March, I think, and there wasn't really kind of an end date for it, so I just kept working on it. And yeah, it's a smaller canvas. This painting is a 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters. It's a perfect little square. And yeah, let me give you the stats before I give my kind of opinion about it. So this wonderful painting, as I said, it's my first completion in the month of May. This is my 19th premium completion of my diamond painting lifetime. Number 14 for the year 2025. Woo! This canvas, the total diamonds I replaced is 13,686, and my total original count is 231,516. Adding this cute little painting, my new total is 245,205. Woo! I'm going up there. And I've been slowly thinking maybe I should put a goal of $500,000. Oh, apologies. I wish, right? 500,000 diamonds placed for the year 2025. I'm such a slow painter, so it takes me a bit, as I said, for completions, but I'm slowly getting there. I'm painting every day, so it'll take me a bit, but I kind of like the idea of having a goal, because I love deadlines. I'm really odd about it. I'm like that at work. So I think I might put it aside or put a note, putting an official goal for the year of 2025 for myself to complete, apologies, to have completed and placed 500,000 diamonds. Oh my goodness, that's 500,000. I'm really curious if I can do it. So the start date for this wonderful canvas was March 3rd of 2025, and the completion date was May 2nd, 2025. This canvas, unfortunately, I did not count the number of days, but I believe it took me 10 days. Considering you just heard the months, really sporadically, because I was going through a whole bunch of stuff. Well, stuff. So that's why this painting I would just touch and go whenever I had a chance. Now my opinion about it. I really tried to love this painting, but I kind of was getting bored of it. Hey, don't get me wrong, it's such a beautiful canvas. I love the butterfly, I love the flowers. It's just when I started getting close to this wonderful color changing tone on top, yeah, you can see it's a little bit gappy, and I use a multi-placer, so you can see the sections with the flowers and the butterfly are really straight. They're coming out perfect. It's only when I started getting into the more color blocky areas, specifically this corner, I started seeing a lot of gapping. I have no idea why it started doing that, and I just couldn't focus on this area specifically. And I love color blocking. I color blocked a canvas with a bunch of 310. Shoot, I found that entertaining. I just don't know what it was about this canvas that it just took me forever to finish this section and move on. The flowers, though, as beautiful as they look, they do have a lot of confetti. Specifically, this blue flower. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this blue one down here too. The butterfly, though, didn't have a lot of confetti. It had a lot more line blocking little areas, and it's so cute. I really love the butterfly, but it was just these two, the blue flowers, for some reason had a lot of confetti to them. I don't know why. They surprised me. They're smaller flowers. I assumed there were a whole bunch of, solid colors. No, there's a lot of different tones, as you can see in this large one, giving that beautiful little light blue effect. And I actually love these salmon-y colors. These were my favorite to work on. And the white ones too. I really like them. All in all, goodness, I don't even know what to say. I do love how it came out, though. It is such a beautiful canvas. I love the final picture of this wonderful painting. This canvas, I purchased it through Joann's. Ooh, plot twist. So since, as a lot of us know, Joann's is currently getting pretty close to closing, I believe. And this canvas, they pretty much, a lot of the diamond painting, they discounted it. This canvas as well. Last time my child saw, apologies, on the Joann site, this canvas was going for $12. So if you really, really love this canvas, if you're really loving how this canvas came out, apologies, I would say kind of go as soon as you can to pick it up. It is such a beautiful canvas. And there are a lot of canvases from Joann's that I wanted, but they're actually sold out. So gotta be a little faster next time. And the link to it is still online. So I'm going to make sure to put in the description below if this cute little canvas is your cup of tea. And I think I'm going to put it up in my hallway at home, because it is such a beautiful little spring canvas. And when springs is done and summer's coming around, I'll make sure to change it out. And as you can see, let me just put it up and down. The sparkle on it, it's always no joke with Diamond Art Club. It is real pretty. It's just, I have no idea why I got bored. So let me put it up a bit. And my next completion. As I stated before, my mini Dazzles are considered a completion. So this one is called Orchid. And this one is from the Classic Flower series that I have been doing for last month. No, since probably a month or two ago. I've slowly been working on them. Anytime I'm able to complete one of my work in progresses, I try to work on one of the little mini Dazzles. Just because they're so quick and easy, and so I can have more completions. This wonderful canvas is called Orchid. As I said, it's from the Classic Flowers mini Dazzle collection. This is considered my 20th completion in my diamond painting lifetime. My 15th in the month of, of the year 2025. Right? Yeah, 14 was this one. This is 15. Since this is the last canvas in the little flower, in the Classic Flowers series of the mini Dazzle, I actually have the total number of diamonds placed. Now, it's not each individual canvas, it's all 6 of them. There's 6 canvases in the mini Dazzles. It is 4,202. Adding it to my recent new total, which is 245,205. Counting this series, is 249,407. Ooh, I'm about to hit 250. And it is such a beautiful canvas. I love these little mini Dazzles, especially the flower ones. They're my favorite. I love the beautiful, really beautiful pastel purple. I'm a big fan of this one. Ooh, and I really am happy I was finally able to get the total number of diamonds. So, and there's 6 little canvases, as I said. Not bad. 4,000 for all of them. Not bad at all. I do need to de-kit these. I actually had a lot left over, and all of the diamonds for the mini Dazzles are special diamonds. They're either with fairy dust or AB diamonds. This wonderful flower on the leaves have ABs, as you can see. Ooh, I really like it. So that's the total for now with this one. But I'm not done yet. So this month I actually did 2 mini Dazzles because I love cherry blossoms, and this set is not from the Classic Flowers series. It is from Trees and Plants, I believe. I wrote the name down and I apologize. I don't know where I put the note. And it has a bunch of different, if you haven't seen that series, it has a couple of different flowers, some plants. There's a bonsai tree in it, which I haven't completed yet. It's a different set. It's 6 as well. And this one, I do not have the diamond count yet. I'm going to wait till I complete them. But this is considered my 21st completion in my diamond painting lifetime. My goodness, I'm already at 21. And also, it is my 16th in the year 2025. Excuse me. And I'm getting there. I had said originally 20 was going to be I wanted it as my total for the year. I just need 4 more. Woo! And I'm currently working on a whole bunch of other, not just mini Dazzles, but a couple other work in progresses. I'm trying really hard to get larger canvas completions so I can get more completions. And yeah, so this is the last one I wanted to show, and it's beautiful cherry blossoms on a little tree branch. The little leaves have ABs on it, and all of the other diamonds are fairy dust. You see the beautiful sparkle on it. Oh my goodness, I really love it. This one's my favorite. I'm gonna make sure to put it on my wall. I'm gonna put it here at home. I'm not gonna put it at work. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. I'm just super excited I was able to complete these canvases. And all of these, I'm going to put the information in the description below. If maybe some of these mini dazzles, but sure, flowers are your favorite too. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter how small they are. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.